this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Dunkin Donuts promo code. So let's get started. So I'm very sure that most of you know it's a donut company as suggested by the name. So I'm going to show you guys on how to get a discount on it. So first of all, you're going to go over to your web browser and search up Dunkin promo code. So once you have searched that, you're going to head over to the first website, coupon follow. I'm going to go there, and here you're going to see many codes. So the first one is 40% off. So let's say you're looking for a 40% off, you can click on that. And this code winter is going to give you a 40% off whenever you purchase from the website. So all you have to do is click copy to copy the code. Then you can click continue to Dunkin Donuts, which is going to take you to their website. There you can select the donuts you want, and then you can paste this at checkout to get the discount. Similarly, there are many other discounts. So for example, get 25% off, so you can click on that. So fall, this discount code is gonna give you a 25% off. So same steps. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more codes. Then you can head over to Retail Me Not. It's another very good website. So the first one is 20% off your order. So you can click on that. And this code right here, oh, this is the same one we saw there. So again, fall is gonna give you a 20% discount. Okay, free shipping on $50 plus orders. So let's say you're purchasing something which is over $50. You can use this code free ship, which is going to give you free shipping, so there won't be any charges for you. So let's see a few other codes. Okay, this is a new 20% off. Let's see this one. So L Day is another one you can use for 20% off. So yeah. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.